pixel effects according to. So yep, this way you'll be able to add any pixel effects